Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon for the all audience in this room. We will try to continue our discussing about the new model created by the Rado Institute, namely Power Rado Institute Distribution. For this time, we will use this theory, we will use this density function to modeling Hack wave tsunami data Aceh, tsunami Aceh data. We will try to using the mixture theory. The mixture theory, it means in the one series of the tsunami wave data, there are more than one density function. It is not good, it is not impossible to using the univariate density function if we have knowns the data have the more than 2f. Okay, 2f. Okay, for the first time, if we can find in the histogram the data have the more than once wave, it means it is not good to use the univariate density function. For that why we must use the theory of the mixture. For these times, we will try to using the data Hack wave tsunami Aceh data in the 2004. We will check the data with the plot of the histogram. When we can found in the histogram data more than 2 waves, we will try to the concept of the mixture. In these times, we will use the news models, Power Rado distribution. We will try to use the mixture of the two Power Rado Institute distribution for the Hack wave tsunami Aceh data. I think that if you want to know the theory of the mixture distribution, you can come to the www.radoinstitute.com, because in that website, we have give the very clearly information about what is the mixture distribution. Of course, in Indonesia language. I think it is not important that is Indonesia language, Indonesia, Japan language, Chinese language, English language. It is not important, I think, because in the mathematics, we must focus only to the formula only. Okay? For these times, we will based on the one candidate books. In the one candidate's books, okay, we have discussed about the Power Rado Institute density function, like this one. Okay, in the blue one, you can check in the blue ones. This is the density function of the Power Rado Institute distribution. There are two parameters, alpha and beta, and the K is the number of mixture density gamma. Okay, for these times, we will use the Power Rado Institute distribution with K equal to 2. Okay, with K equal to 2. You only change K by the 2. Okay, and then we will try to the mixture of the two Power Rado Institute distribution. You must remember, in the theory of the mixture, there is one parameters we call that proportion. Sometimes the others say it's a weighted, sometimes the proportion. Okay, sometimes proportion. The proportion must be the sum of the proportion equal to 1. Okay. If I use the mixture of the two Power Rado Institute distribution, it means we have the 5 parameters in this one model. Okay. There are 2 parameters for the power mixed power, the Rado Institute distribution in the first density, and we have the 2 parameters for Power Rado Institute distribution for the second density function, and then we add by the ones parameter of the proportion. I think this is very clear the information for our discussing today. So let we come to the our R coding. Okay. Okay, we try to open our R. Okay, that's one. Okay, this is data of the HexWave tsunami. Okay, we run our data. We come to the console. Okay, we check our data here. Data. Okay, if we are trying to focus with data, this very, very dangerous wave head tsunami because more than 30 meters. There are some data more than the 30 meters. You can imagine that. The head wave tsunami more than the 30 meters. Whoa, what happens if the wave come to the earth, okay, come to the land, okay, especially in the around of the source of the tsunami. You can imagine that the head wave more than the 30 meters come to the land. I don't know whatever. So very dangerous. Okay, before we try to the concept of the mixture two power radar institute distribution, we must check the histogram data. We check the histogram data. His X frequency equal to false. We give the bricks equal to maybe 15, and then we enter. Okay, you can find, okay, from this data, you can see there are more than one wave. Okay, there are one wave, more than one wave. This is the first wave, and this is the second wave. At least there are the second wave, maybe more than second. Maybe in this data we can find the more than one wave, maybe the 2 or 3 wave. Okay, for this time we focus to only for the 2 wave. So this data, for this histogram data proves that it is impossible, it is not good using the univariates of the Power Radar Institute distribution. We must try to using the mixture of the 2 Power Radar Institute distribution. Okay, for that's why we have the create the R coding. Okay, for example, like I said before, in the 2 mixture, we have the 5 parameter. Okay, we have the 5 parameter, parameter 1 and parameter 2 for the parameter of the univariate density function, namely the Power Radar Institute distribution. Okay, for the first density. And then for the second density function, have the 2 parameter equal to parameter 4 and the parameter 5. Parameter 3, it's mean the weighted. Okay, is a weighted. So the density function, okay, I can give the blue ones. The blue one is mean that this is the density function of the mixture of the 2 Power Radar Institute distribution. Okay, this is the model, the mixture of the 2 mixture of the mixture of 2 Power Radar Institute distribution. Okay, we run the model to find the log likelihood. We run here, and then we give the optim for the 5. We give the optim that for the log likelihood, and then we give the initial value. We run the optim, so we can check the parameter with the copy here and then pass the here, and then you enter, and then you can find this is parameter 1 is a parameter 2, this one the parameter 3, parameter 4, the parameter 5. The parameter 3 it's mean the proportion or the weighted. Okay, and the first and the second parameter is for the first density function of the Power Radar Institute distribution. And the parameter 4 and 5 is the parameter for the second density function of the Power Radar Institute distribution. The minus likelihood is this 314.1. Okay, this is parameter. We are successive maxing parameter. So after we have the parameter, we will check by the density function. Okay, we try the density function. Before we are using a density plot, we try to use it. We will give the the name of the parameter, like this one, the name of the parameter, the alpha 1, okay. This is parameter alpha for the first density function, and the theta 1, okay, theta 1 is the second parameter for the first density function, P the proportion, alpha 2 for the alpha parameters in the second density function, theta 2 for the parameter theta for the second density function. Okay. Now we try to make the density function. This is the density function of the mixture of two power Rado-Institute distribution. Okay. So we run our program. Okay, we run our program. We check the density plot. Okay, well, this one. Okay, you can see here. The blue one is the models of the mixture of the two power Rado-Institute distribution. So we can prove that the blue lines have the two wave. Okay, the two wave. The blue one is the two wave. The first wave, okay, for this one, and then the second. Okay. So for this time, we have success. We have success to create the R coding. Create the R coding for the concept of the mixture of the two power Rado-Institute distribution, and we applied to the heck wave tsunami Aceh data. Okay, I think this nice discussion today. We have Rado-Institute have proved the new models created by the Rado-Institute. I think it's very important to understanding about this model, and then you can apply to the another data. Okay, see you again, Rado Yendra and Rado-Institute. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.